If you want a powerful option trading strategy with steady income and limited risk, the poor man's covered call is the strategy for you in 2025. I'll break down exactly how the poor man's covered call works in this video and provide a step-by-step guide on how to place a trade, and we'll show you live on the option trading platform and manage it as well going forward. I've got two of the best picks right now, and be sure and watch till the end. The last one is a no-brainer that is going to rise over the next decade and provide max profit and steady income with limited risk going forward. So let's get started. Should be a fun video for you here today. I appreciate you all for being here. And one thing I ask, one thing only, smash that like button down below. If you want, you're certainly welcome to subscribe as well. We're at all-time highs for subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks again. All right, let's start off by discussing what is a poor man's covered call. Now, a poor man's covered call is an option strategy very similar to a covered call, a standard covered call. In fact, it replicates the standard covered call. However, instead of purchasing 100 shares of the underlying stock, which can be very expensive, you utilize a leaps option, which may be a quarter, maybe 20% of the price of purchasing those 100 shares of stock. So it's much more capital efficient. At the same time, you're selling a shorter term out of the money call option against it for monthly income, just like the standard covered call. All right, let's break down the core mechanics and exactly how the poor man's covered call works. There's two legs to this trade, or two options contracts. The first one is a long-term, deep in the money call option that's typically 6 to 12 months out or days to expiration. So that's the date when the option contract will expire. And we go this far out because it closely mimics owning the 100 shares of stock. However, it's much less expensive. Now, the second leg is to sell the shorter term out of the money call option. Now, this one I like to sell around 30 to 45 days to expiration to generate monthly income, and then just do that every month for the length of the leaps option contract. All right, let's jump into these trades and show you how it's done on the option trading platform. All right, guys, the first one that we're going to talk about here is the Trade Desk. Now, this is a powerful digital and cloud advertising platform. It's a software platform that allows advertisers to purchase across thousands of websites, apps, and even streaming TV, which is a huge push right now and growing like crazy. So they also have UID2, which is an upgrade, and it tracks anonymously and ethically, as opposed to the cookies that are used nowadays. So there's a move in Congress to abolish and eliminate cookies for the internet. So they're already set up to handle this on different apps and websites and across streaming. So that's a huge plus upside for the Trade Desk. They're also extremely profitable. So the Trade Desk right now is trading at $70, and the estimated target that they have on Yahoo is $86. The 52-week range has ranged from 42 to 141. So if it gets back to the 141 range, that's actually a stock double. So it's huge upside right here. Now, if we go to the analysis tab, we can see that they beat earnings 3 consecutive times. I haven't checked, but it probably goes back much further than that. And you can see these strong analyst buy ratings going forward. And then most importantly, the growth estimates for next year, 20%. So to find a stock that's priced in this range at $70 that has that 20% growth is a huge opportunity. Now here's the current chart. Oh, this is going back to the beginning of 2019. And you can see how it's steadily trending up, and then we're at the bottom of that trend in a channel. So great time to buy this stock. Okay, guys, here we are on the Tasty Trade option trading platform. It's a great platform. There's a link down below. Check it out. There's definitely benefits if you go through my link, and it's one of the most intuitive option trading platforms and my favorite. But what we're going to do now is go to the option chain here on the trade page, and we punch in Tasty Trade right here, or not Tasty Trade, my gosh, TTD. And by the way, going back, I said we're going to buy the stock. We're not going to buy the stock. This whole video is about the poor man's covered call. And what we're doing is a poor man's covered call. So we're going to buy the leaps and sell the shorter term call against it. So let's go to the March. We're going to go out 277 days to expiration. We're going to open up that chain, and calls are on the left, puts are on the right. We're going to buy the in the money call. We're going to buy the 70 for $14.90. Mid price is $14.75. So it controls 100 shares of stock, so that's $1,475. Versus if we purchased 100 shares outright, it would be $70.57 times 100, or $7,057. So much less, 1/5 the price or the cost. Now we're going to look at the curve mode. This is what I love about Tasty Trade. We can go to the curve mode, and you can see, just like owning 100 shares of stock, as the price goes up, the profit goes up. You can see the profit here in green. So right here at 105, we're going to profit $2,700 at expiration on a $14.75 investment. So almost double at 105. At 110, we're at 31.62. So as the price goes up, just like owning the stock, your profit goes up. So let's go back to the table mode, close up the March long-term leaps option, and let's open up the shorter term. We're going to go to the regular option chains right here. I like the regular. There's more volume, and you can see right here 3.22 million shares traded, so that's very good. It means it's very liquid. We open up the March that's the leaps. Let's open up the July. It's 32 days to expiration. I like to go 30 to 45 days to expiration. Now we're going to sell. We're not going to buy. Here's buy. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right. We're going to sell the out of the money call against it. So we can sell the 72.5 and have $2 upside on the leaps and collect $300, or we could sell the 75 and collect $200. I'm going to sell the 75 just because I think we're going to have a move up, and we can make $5 upside on the leaps at the same time. So we'll sell this for $206, and you can see the option, the total trade with the two combined. This just went down by $200. Now it's $12.64. Let me remove it again. $14.90, $14.75. If we sell it, it's going to go down to $12.65. So what we do is we hit review and send here and place the trade. All right, guys, this next one is one of my favorite advanced micro devices, AMD, and you can see the 1 year chart right here. They've got a target of 130 on Yahoo Finance. My target's 200, much higher than this. I think they're way underestimating it. But you can see right here the 52-week range. It was up at 187 earlier in the year. And I think there's huge upside for this stock. We go to the analysis mode, and you can see the 3 earnings beats, the strong buy ratings, and most importantly, this growth of 46% expected next year. And they just recently had earnings, and they had Q1 earnings revenue growth of 36% year over year. So to get a stock that's trading and growing at 46% and just proved 36% revenue growth year over year for this price is huge. And they've got the MI350 to ramp up this summer and MI400 coming out next year. Those are both going to kill it. And they've got the new Blackwell platform as well. So let's look at the chart. Here you can see the trend up and bottom end of the trend. So that's what we like to see. And let's jump into the trade now. Okay, just like with the trade desk, we're going to go out to the March 2026, 277 days to expiration, and we're going to purchase on the left here on the calls the 120 call for $25.20. So mid price is $25, so $2,500 is what you're paying because it's one contract, one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So 25 times 100 is 2,500. Now, you can see that's your max loss, 2,500, but it's actually less than that, because what we're going to do is we're going to open up that July short-term 32 DTE option chain, and we're going to sell the 135. So that's the 33 delta. So that gives you a 67% probability of profit on the stock price remaining below that 135, and you keep this entire $340 in premium that you receive right when you place this trade. So by doing that, that 2,500 comes down to 2,175. And let's take this off and look again at the leaps. We'll show you one more time the analysis page, just like owning the stock outright. As the price increases, I think it's definitely going to hit, 175, 180. At 175, we make 38.41, so we more than double our money. At 180, we're making 42.89 in the appreciation just on the leaps option. So let's go back to the table mode and put on that July. We could collect at 130 for a $3 upside. We could collect $500, but I'm going to go to the 135, a little bit more conservative, collect 350. This brings the total price of the poor man's covered call down to 2175. So we hit review and send and place the trade. All right, so how about trade management, and how do we manage the poor man's covered call option strategy? Well, if the price goes down, the stock price moves down, then we can close out that short call. We collected premium up front, and if we close that out, we can close it out at before expiration if it moves down fast, and then wait for a move up in the market and put it on again, or we can just wait and let it expire worthless at the end of the month. Now, if the stock price is moving sideways or stays within a range, that's good as well, because our short call is going to profit from the stock price staying below that short call position, and our leaps option will either appreciate by it moving up a little or staying right where it was at. Either way is good, and we make money in the overall position. Now, if the stock price moves up, and this is a bullish strategy, so we want it to move up, that's good news too, because the leaps option contract is going to make more money than the short call will lose. It's a longer dated option, and it moves similar. We showed just like owning the 100 shares of stock. So as it moves up in price, the stock price, then the price of the option contract will increase as well. And you saw in the profit zone in green how that happens. Now, what we can do is we can close out that short call position and move it up. So we roll it up, and this allows us more premium, or more we pay. So we pay a small debit, but we're going to make more on the leaps option contract as the stock price moves up. So we can roll it up if we're outside of, say, 15 to 20 days to expiration. If we're still near that 30 or 45 days to expiration, we just roll that short call up once it's breached. Now, if we're inside 15 to 20 days to expiration, I'll not only move it up, but I'll move it up and out to the next month. And often you can do this, and rather than pay a small debit, you can often collect premium as well. If you roll it up and out and pay a very small debit, that's okay too, because overall the leaps option makes big money, and we make big money in the overall trade. All right, guys, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. And hey, if you got something out of this video, I hope you did. Let me know what it is in the comments below, and watch this next video.